Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video we will learn how to find product from the multiple sheets. Finding product in a single sheet is very easy, but in this video we will learn how to find product from multiple sheets. So let's begin. As you can see in my worksheet, there are 3 sheets here: the salary, work and total sheet. In the salary sheet, I have the name of employees and the salary per day of each employee. Now in the worksheet, I have the names of employee and the working hours of each employee. And in the total sheet, I have the name and I want to find the total salary. First, we will find the total salary by using the product symbol, which is the steric symbol. Select the cell and type the formula equals to. Now go to the salary tab and select the salary per day. Product symbol. Go to the work tab and select the working hours and press enter. Now select the cell again and double click on the fill handle to autofill down. So this is the simple method by using the product symbol. Now we will use the product function to find the total salary. To find the total salary, select a cell and type the formula equals to product. Go to the salary tab and select the salary per day, comma. Go to the work tab and select the working hour. Close the bracket and press enter. Now drag the fill handle down to autofill. So these are the 2 easy methods to find the product from multiple sheets. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos about Excel. Thank you.